You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, this stop scrolling. Right now there is super practical for everyday use. Everyone is talking about it lately because the engineering behind it is brilliant. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it delivers outstanding results instantly, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not low-key want to miss out on this deal before it's completely gone. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today.